This is Dr. Lahari from Leo Dental. A very frequently asked question to me from the patients is, how often should we schedule our dental appointments? Which is the big question of dentistry. This is a doubt in everybody's mind. Am I visiting my dentist regularly? Have my appointments been delayed? But this is a very simple and a straight thing. There is nothing like a mandatory time to visit your dentist. It is according to your dental needs. If you don't have any severe problems like dental caries or periodontal problem or any infection in the oral cavity, and if you are fairly well with your oral health, you can visit your dentist once in every 6 months. Some people who are in a position where they cannot see their dentist but they have an impeccable oral health can even delay their appointment with the dentist for the 1 year once. One schedule in 1 year, but that depends on the oral health of the person. But to clearly know who are the persons who need frequent dental visits. The frequent dental visits like 4 visits per year, that is the quarterly dental visits, are needed for children who have caries. Caries or the dental decay, if you have seen a dental decay in your kid at the age of 2 or 3, you should understand that this kid is going to be a caries prone individual for the total of his life. At that time, he will need more than 2 dental visits per year for checkup. While coming to adults, if you have earlier dental problems and you have attended on them, that time you can schedule your dental appointments twice in 1 year. But if you are persons with systemic diseases like diabetes, renal problem, asthmatics, or in the case of ladies with any endocrinological or a gynecological problem, a frequent dental visit would be helpful to assess the general condition of the body too. Mouth acts as a mirror to the overall dental and the systemic health. By seeing your teeth, by seeing your gums, by looking at your mouth, a dentist can actually get a clue to your systemic health. That's why long ago Hippocrates have said that a door of the house is equal to the mouth to the body. If you well guard your mouth, you are well guarding your body. To summarize, a frequent dental visit is according to the need of the patient. Twice a year dental visit is ideal for more than 75% of the population. But you have special needs like systemic conditions or active caries or severe genetically predisposed oral conditions, it is always better to have a quarterly dental visit. Keep in touch with your dentist. Schedule your appointments at the earliest site of the problem. Keep monitoring your mouth every day. Look at your mirror. Spend 1 minute to look at your teeth. That will make you actually very aware of your dental status. Don't miss your dental appointments. Don't postpone your schedules. Keep in touch with the doctor. Know the importance of correctly visiting and the follow-up treatment. Hope this video helps you in scheduling your proper dental appointments. Thank you.